Cavuto on Business. Premiered 2002. Bloomberg West. Premiered 2011. Bloomberg Game Changers. Premiered 2010. Markets Now. Premiered 2007. Kudlow Cramer. Premiered 2002. Nightly Business Report. Premiered 1979. Market Wrap. Premiered 1989. Cashin In. Premiered 2002. Squawk Box. Premiered 1995. Closing Bell. Premiered 2002. Dragon's Den. Premiered 2005. More Dragon's Den 573 of 640 the best TV shows to binge watch. 104 of 398 the best reality TV shows ever. 43 of 83 reality shows that involve actual skill. Market Watch. Premiered 1998. The Celebrity Apprentice USA. Premiered 2011. The Apprentice. Premiered 2004. More The Apprentice. 13 of 277 the most overrated TV shows of all time. 104 of 112 the best reality competition series. 69 of 74 the best shows you watched after school in the 2000s. Mad Money. Premiered 2005. Bulls and Bears. Premiered 2002. The Grand Hustle. Premiered 2018. More The Grand Hustle. 82 of 83 the best black TV shows of the last few years. 52 of 112 the best reality competition series. Relative Success with Tabatha. Premiered 2018. The Deuce. Premiered 2017. More The Deuce. 5 of 56 the best new HBO shows of the last few years. 50 of 54 the best new TV shows with gay characters of the last few years. 49 of 394 the best new shows that have premiered in the last few years. Profit. Premiered 2013. On the Money. Premiered 2005. Power Lunch. Premiered 1996. Capital Connection. Premiered 2007. The Money Program. Premiered 1966. Forbes on Fox. Premiered 2002. Business First. The Kudlow Report. Premiered 2009. Undercover Boss. Premiered 2010. More Undercover Boss 3 of 44 the best current reality shows that make you a better person 10 of 398 the best reality TV shows ever 7 of 57 the best reality dramas. Worldwide Exchange. Premiered 2005. The Call. Premiered 2007. Fast Money. Premiered 2006. Billion Dollar Buyer. Premiered 2016. World Business. Premiered 2006. Street Signs. Premiered 1996. Shark Tank. Premiered 2009. More Shark Tank. Most dramatic meltdowns on Shark Tank 78 of 277. The most overrated TV shows of all time 101 of 260. The best TV shows returning in 2021. Silicon Valley. Premiered 2014. More Silicon Valley 20 Ways HBO. Silicon Valley is just like the real thing, ranking the best seasons of Silicon Valley 180 of 389 TV shows that only smart people appreciate. Bloomberg Bottom Line. Suits. Premiered 2011. More Suits. All the top Suits characters, ranked by fans 296 of 474. The funniest TV shows of all time 190 of 339. The best TV shows of the last 20 years. Your World with Neil Cavuto. Premiered 1996.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.